All right, we got a question today, guys. What's the best year Ghia? Darren?
1967, because that's my birth year.
Oh.
I'll tell you mine. Today's video. Seasick. I'm just saying.
I'm sorry, folks.
Oh man, unhook the hose because I know you guys can hear it. I can't.
Yep. Whew. There we go.
There we go.
What are you doing?
I ate new color sheet.
Nice.
So, this is at 2,000. And now doing 3,000.
32.
And then we'll go up to 5, and then up to 8, and then we'll go to polish.
Okay.
That just makes it easier.
Yeah.
Theoretically, you can get away with no polish whatsoever, but it's kind of iffy.
Can you really? You know.
This is Fergie II. It's moving along. All the secondary panels. Brand new paint line. So just to serve our clients a little bit better, and we might be looking at another paint line after this too.
So many paint lines. Fantastic.
It's just we want to offer some choices and options, and with
people
supply
like
chain
choices.
stuff, you know,
Yeah,
it's like
that's
you
true.
got to kind of go with what you can get a hold of some days.
It's true.
So gotta be able. Was it keep them separate? No, that's not
No,
it.
that's not that.
Like
Wait. I got a question.
Oh, okay.
Should we ask you with Darren? Let's ask you with Darren.
I don't know. I think ask.
All right, here we go. What is the best year Ghia?
There's a lot of controversy on that one. So are we talking looks? Are we talking styling?
Overall. All in all. All in. Which
For me,
one's
it's
best?
this is a personal preference. It's going to be the 68, 69.
Why?
Disc brakes, larger engine. Still had really nice classic lines. Didn't get the really big back end and the big bumpers and stuff. I always thought those things kind of looked. Ugh. So.
What was that again?
Yeah. I'm just
That's
not a
official.
big fan. It's like, for me, it's kind of like it's a super Beetle, even though they handle much better. The styling, I'm not a fan.
Yeah.
So if 68, 69 disc brakes, you know, a little bit of safety, a little bit of oomph, and a lot of style. So,
Fair enough.
But if you like the styling, go with the low light.
There you go.
So
There you
that's
go.
just kind of the thing.
All
So,
right.
Hey, here's Mr. D.
Good enough. We'll ask him again later.
Okay.
All
Are
right.
you gonna ask me something later?
Yeah, I'm going to ask you something later. Actually, it's going to end up before, so we're having a little time travel here.
Do we plug in about our different style paint that we're doing now? You already
Yes.
plugged the differences?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So
Well, not the difference. just
Not the
another
differences, just an intro to the fact that we have another line of paint now.
yeah, but a whole different process. Whole other
Yes.
cost point, price point. Gotcha.
Right.
Okay.
We're giving options.
Options.
Let's see what's going on out in the swamp.
So out here we have the Gagne 66, and it's all back up and running and driving and all that. We just got a couple of little kinks to do on it, and then it's going home. It's just all we did was put all the working stuff. We didn't make any pretty stuff.
Yeah.
We put new window seals in it, but we did the brakes and got the motor running and did all that stuff is what they wanted to do so they could drive it. We didn't do. They're leaving the paint the way it is and the interior is the same. Blah,
Great.
blah, blah. So
Fair
it's
enough.
just about to go do a little tinker with her and she'll go home. And then we sent 2 home last week.
Ooh,
So
nice. Who went home?
White and Johnson.
All right, both red Beetles, right?
Yeah, the 2 red Beetles. The black one's gonna go home today, I believe. It's out,
good.
out front.
Awesome.
The Rolls Royce Beetle.
Yes.
Major league all-stars.
Major League All-Star
Right,
Beetle.
right.
So the Burton's Squareback sitting waiting on the beam and stuff that's getting built right now for the chassis. So we got to build the chassis so we can set that back on there. So
Nice.
it's kind of in limbo. And then you already saw what's going on with Fergie II.
Yeah.
And so we got like 3 paint situations happening at once. So that's going on. And there's some touch up I guess we got to do on this.
A little bit.
And then Fergie's going on, Fergie II's going on, and then the bus is also kind of going on. There's a part of the bus. The green and white bus is sitting over here, so we're having to fix that paint. If y'all remember the green and white bus,
right.
we didn't paint it, but we're having to fix it. So
That's after the fix.
this is after
okay.
the fix. This was not glossy, and so
Yeah.
he got it. So he ordered some paint for that. We're going to fix the green bus. So
great.
it'll be coming into the rotation next. And then
Great.
at the same time, we started disassembling the Isaeo's 67 Beetle.
Ooh.
And it will be going to blast Friday. And then when it gets back and it gets sealed, and it's going to get painted here.
Ooh,
So
what color are we going with?
this is going to be a baby bluish, kind of greenish, Bahama blue.
Oh, yeah.
Somewhere in that realm.
Okay.
So she has a color in mind. She's going to send it to us. So they're disassembling it now, and this is scheduled to go to blast Friday morning first thing.
Wonderful.
So we'll get that going on. This is you'll see a video of this. We're videoing this from start to finish again.
Awesome.
We've done it a couple times. The Mr. Zachanini, his motor's here. Obviously, I did the 20-minute run up on it, so we'll be putting that motor in later today or tomorrow. And then on his front end, where it's a Super Beetle, so we got a lowering kit from Top Line that we're putting in, and then you'll see it in a second. So we're taking the whole front end apart and putting it up. And he's having wheels. These are just mock-up wheels. They aren't his.
Yeah.
But Iseao Wheels is making some custom wheels for him, so I had to get a bunch of measurements, and so that's underway. And they're making the wheels. We're putting Cool Stop brakes on it from Cool Ride Customs, and so that's all underway, Mr. Zachanini. So and then I guess we've got some parts being made for Gazzo from Chirco Industries. So we're getting a quote from them to get it. So we'll see.
Wonderful.
And
Chirco Performance.
performance.
Ah.
Sorry, Joe.
Sorry, Joe.
We
And
got
you
you.
guys.
It's Chircos.
We've been giving credit to Joe, and he said that his guys were getting mad at him. So
Oh.
Chirco Performance, not just Joe
Ah,
Chirco. So,
there we go. Fair enough. Fair
we
enough.
did think we finally got a solution for this quagmire of the 60 Beetle here, which was
Wonderful.
original 6-volt car that he wanted his semaphores working that he didn't even know he had, and everything be LED. So, and there's several different entities in this. So keeping it a 6-volt car, there's a man that makes a controller so your semaphores can work and you can still have your LEDs in it. And then the LED guy that makes the LEDs, we got that from them. So long story short, what it turns out to be is there's an indicator light in your speedometer that still was incandescent bulb, a regular bulb. So that's been holding the whole thing up.
Isn't that crazy?
Theoretically, he says, the man that makes these LEDs. So
Literally a rocket
that's
scientist.
on its way here, and we're going to see that. But it does make sense because it would add a different resistance to it. So anyways, it's one of those weird things because this is not made to work all together.
Yeah.
So we're having to make it work. And there's not too many 6-volt semaphore LED cars running around. So
Very few, I would imagine.
What part of custom do you not understand?
Yeah.
so we're getting it, but we're getting there with it. So he's been patient with us. But I think, and well, I can say his name. He told us Chip Burks is the one that makes the LED stuff.
Yeah.
And he was actually on vacation. Shout out to him because he was on vacation. I called him and said, "Help!" And he literally talked to me while his kids were jumping around in the background. I could hear he was on vacation. He said, "This is that. Let's try this." And he jumped through hoops and got it sent to me.
Goodness.
And so it's on its way. Should be here today or tomorrow. So cool.
We have
Thank you
some
for that.
amazing vendors.
Yeah,
That's
so
fantastic.
anyways, the Razor, we're just about done with getting all my prices so that I can give him a quote because I can't really do it till I get all this stuff. So we're just about there. Some things are really hard to find, and I do a bunch of research, and so we're almost there though. So that's going to be taking place soon here. It'll probably be right behind that car to get retaken apart and then put back together.
Okay.
So we got that going over here on the tables. Mr. Zachanini's front end from Top Line Performance. So it's the way you lower Super Beetle is your struts. So and then these coil springs are smaller and narrow because we're putting a bigger tire, so that allows us to have clearance to bring the tire in. So this whole kit's going to go on the front end of that car, and that comes from Top Line, and that's pretty cool. So boom, we'll be looking for that. We'll videotape that going on, and then out here. We've got Mr. Park's daughter's 79 convertible.
Yeah.
And the last step to the convertible is this rear window, which we also got from Chirco Performance. It's like a one-stop shop lately.
Oh, man.
He just happened to have one.
Oh, that's great.
Well, he's also got a bunch of stashed parts from over the years that he doesn't tell anybody. You have to ask him specifically, do you have this?
Oh, boy.
So, and what happened was this car came in with everything. He bought his own top and everything, but he didn't have the glass.
Oh.
And that's not something you can get anymore off the shelf. So we were all around, and he found one from there, and we got lucky, and he sent it to us, and boom, now it's going in today. So we're videoing that. So there's a video of a video of a video going on. So
Videoception.
and that'll be in today. And then the last thing is just to make sure we get it running and it'll be ready to go home in time for the August birthday on that.
Beautiful.
So, there's Mr. Zachanini's motor. We did, like I said, we did the run up on it yesterday to be getting installed. And little 1914 and ready to go. Also
zip.
from Chirco Performance. There you go. So.
Phew. It's like the Chirco show.
Yeah, Chirco Show. So
I like that.
Chirco Show. But anyway, so that's
fantastic.
pretty much all we got going on. I called yesterday out Miss Boggan's body, who's been out at our powder coaters. And they tell me it's going to be soon. So it's just sitting there waiting for its body now.
Yeah.
So we were trying to find another alternative, so we had to ask another painter if they wanted to paint it, what would the price be, and it was less than ours. So.
But then in the meantime, now we've got our second line of paint. It's going to be so we're now we're going to bring that back in house probably.
Well,
so.
we're testing this one out. We'll see how it goes, right? Yeah.
So.
Awesome. That's
He
fantastic.
doesn't like to do different paint, but we're trying to work it out. And some of y'all are out there want.
Yeah, I'm a bit of a paint diva when it comes to my product.
Yeah, so we're trying to tone him down a little bit. It's hard, but
Good luck with that one.
so we'll see what happens. But all y'all that want these paint jobs up here, he's still there. He can do it, but I gotta like dumb him down.
That's why we're training Superman.
So, anyways,
Crazy. Hey, we got a show coming up.
coming up
October
October
22nd. Right here at the shop.
St. Jude's.
Yeah, we're supporting
that's
St.
good.
Jude's.
So that's
Free admission.
everything's by donation.
Yeah.
There'll be food, music.
We blow up an
and
engine. Do
people
we have
and
our blow up
cars.
engine yet?
Huh?
Do we have a blow up
We
engine?
do not. We'll start working on that soon here. So
Ooh.
we have a bunch of candidates around here.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. And you can bring any car, but if you want to be, considered for the People's Choice Awards, you want to come in with a classic VW.
So we're going to start working on so we build our own trophies.
Yeah,
so if
we
y'all
do.
remember or look back at last year's, you'll see what the trophies look like. They're all VW parts.
They're
It's
awesome.
all one-off, handmade.
So we're going to start. I already been gathering parts for him to make those, so we'll start those soon here. So it's not.
That's
the last
exciting.
Thing, but yeah.
Very cool. Oh, Spook. We are going to Yorkshire.
Oh, yeah. We are.
We are. It's
So-
Field of Dreams show.
Field of Dreams. So
Early September.
Kate McCarthy has a show every year, and she's invited us back again.
What is
And
she thinking?
This year we were actually able to make it because
Yeah.
we missed it 2 years in a row because of COVID and then a wedding and all of that stuff. So we are going to be there. I'll be answering your questions at Field of Dreams for all you our UK peeps.
Yeah, come on out and stump the Spook.
Yeah,
and
something
get a
Spook,
shirt.
and you might get a shirt or an autographed book or something. But always up for some good disruptor while we're there.
Oh yeah,
So,
that's good beer.
Be good beer.
There we go.
So if you guys want to stump me or get something free, either get me a beer or just ask me a question.
All right, fair enough.
Jask
there you
me
go.
a question?
Jask me a
Jask
question.
me a question.
Jask
Jask
me a
me.
question. Is that British? I don't know. I don't think it's British.
Southern and British at the same time.
Oh, it's Southern British. Okay,
Like you
that
guys
works.
all beers already. I don't know. Ask me. That's
Jask
your
me.
question.
Ask me.
And there's our new T-shirt. Jask me a question.
There we go.
There we go. Also, if you have questions, put them in the comments because we're going to start a little series called Ask Airkooled. But not until we have some questions.
So you guys can ask any one of the guys anything car related, fabrication related, electrical related. Just put it down in the comments and we'll start gathering. And when we have enough, we'll start the series. So it's up to you guys.
It's pretty good.
Wednesdays gets a little boring without airport questions on YouTube.
You got to have Airkooled every day.
Gotta have Wednesdays. Yeah.
All right, well, I think that's that.
That's right.
That is
Got to do the thing.
Oh, wait a minute.
What?
I don't want to do something.
You have to do the thing.
She asked me a question. She never asked you a question.
I'm going to ask him in a second.
No, you
It's going to become the intro. Come on, man.
Okay.
All right, do the
All
thing.
right.
Do the
See
thing.
ya,
Bye,
friends.
nice
People.
people.